Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Eater. In this video, what we are going to see is to how create our own Solana NFT collection. Like in the previous video, we talked about what is an NFT, how to create an NFT, and how to create our own NFT minting website using Polygon blockchain on the Polygon blockchain. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to create our own Solana NFT collection, and for that, we are going to use ThirdWeb. In the first part of the video, we are going to see how we can launch our Solana NFT collection using the ThirdWeb dashboard for free of cost. And then in the second part of the video, we are going to see how we can use ThirdWeb SDKs in order to create our own Solana NFT collection. So this video will be an exciting video if you want to learn how to create your own NFT collection on the Solana blockchain. So let's start. So here we are on ThirdWeb dashboard and I will share the link in the description of this video. In this, you will see that I have a lot of options, right? I can create my own NFT collection, NFT drop and token, and all on the Solana blockchain. So I will click on this NFT collection, and before that, since we are going to deploy our smart contract NFT collection on Solana blockchain, you will be needing this Phantom wallet so that you can connect to the Solana blockchain. Okay, and the process is very simple. Let me show you that. You have to simply go to this website phantom.app, and I will share the link in the description of this video so that you can quickly download this wallet. So this wallet works just like any other wallet, like your MetaMask wallet. You have to simply click on this download, just log in into it, and then you will be able to access your Phantom wallet. Now, after you will have access to your Phantom wallet, then let me show you. Once you will enter your password, you will see your wallet. Okay, now in order to demonstrate you, I am going to use Solana DevNet. Okay, I'm going to use Solana DevNet. You can clearly see that I am currently on DevNet, and in order to access this DevNet, you will be needing some fake Solana, or I will say Sol. Okay, so Sol is a token. So just go to your Phantom wallet, copy your address. So this is your wallet address, this is your account address. Just copy this address, paste this at this particular website, solidfaucet.com, and when you will click on and just do select this DevNet option, because currently, as you can see, I am on DevNet. Okay, I am on DevNet. And how you can go on DevNet? It is a very simple process. Just click on this icon, then go to developer settings. In this, you can see that I have an option of chain network, and in this I am selecting this DevNet. Okay, so simple process. Just copy your wallet address, this account address, paste this account address here, and just click on DevNet. So your work will be done. Okay, so it is successful. I already have some amount of Sol token in my wallet, so I do not need it for now. Again, going back to ThirdWeb dashboard. Now in this, I have various options, right? NFT collection, NFT drop, and token. So since we are going to deploy our NFT collection, I'm going to click on this NFT collection. Okay, now once you will click on this NFT collection, you can see that you have to fill out some contract metadata details so that you can distinguish between various contracts, and you will understand it what I'm trying to say here. So for now, let me name this contract as blockchain. Okay, so just like that, and let me have the symbol as some BLC. Okay, totally random. And description is that, okay, this is our blockchain course collection. Okay, so we have to just write this down and upload some picture. Okay, if you want to, definitely it is not necessary. It is just so that you can distinguish between your different contracts. So I have selected some random image. Okay, so this is totally random image. It is my brand logo actually, but it is totally random. So it is not necessary that you have to have this image or this, you have to have this symbol. You have to have only your name so that you can recognize your, this contract. Now, once you will have this, just click on this deploy. But before that, select DevNet and then click on deploy. Now, once you will deploy it, you will have a contract. And with the help of this, you will be able to have your own NFT collection. And you will understand this in just a second once it will get deployed. So you can clearly see now it is asking for this transaction to approve, because since we are deploying our smart contract, right, on Solana blockchain, so we need to pay some amount of rent, right? So I will click on approve. Let's wait for our transaction to get confirmed. So here you can see that our transaction is confirmed, and now you have to wait for some time. It is taking some time to get load. Wonderful. So now you can see that we have our contract address, and you can check this on Solana blockchain. So each and everything is totally transparent. Nothing is hidden. You can see this contract address, whether it is on Solana or not. Now to check whether your smart contract is a part of Solana network or not, just go to this Solana Explorer and I will share the link in the description of this video. And in this, select DevNet, okay? Because we have deployed our smart contract on DevNet. Just paste your address that we have copied, search, and you will see the information related to your contract, okay? So here you can see that, as I said, each and everything is totally transparent, which you can see on the Solana blockchain. Now going back, it's time to create our own NFT collection, right? So I will click on this mint option. So now you can see that I have an option for metadata for my mint NFT. Let me name this as course 1. It is totally random. You can take whatever name you want. This is just to distinguish between your different NFTs. Okay, so this will not be your NFT. I will tell you where you have to upload your NFT. This is totally not necessary step, but if you want to, you can upload some image as well. In this, again, you can see that I have a description. It is not compulsory. Let's say if you want to have something, that this is course 1. Okay, simple. And in this, you have to tell the type of the course. Let's say this is a blockchain course, so I'm going to have blockchain. Now in this, you have to mention your image. Like in this, you have to have your image so that you can mint it on the Solana blockchain. So here I'm just selecting this random image. Okay, let me select this person, and this will get minted on the Solana blockchain. So you can have multiple NFTs, I will say. So you can have other properties as well, other value images as well. It's your wish. But for now, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on mint NFT. And then we will be able to see this NFT on the IPFS network, because each and everything need to be decentralized, right? So we are not going to store it on some server. It will automatically get stored on the IPFS, okay, which is a decentralized file system. And each and everything is taken care by the ThirdWeb only. So you do not have to do anything. Everything will be taken care by the ThirdWeb network. Okay, means the ThirdWeb dashboard. Just click on approve. Let's wait for our transaction to get confirmed. Okay, so now it is confirmed. Okay, so now as you can see that I haven't uploaded any course image, so that's why it is here. But you can see your NFT by going to this URL, right? So this is your NFT. Let me show you. It is uploaded on the IPFS network. I'm copying this, I'm pasting this, and here you have your NFT, okay, on the decentralized file system. So this is a very simple process, guys. You can clearly see that I have simply, in a very simple manner, I was able to have my own NFT collection, which is getting deployed to the IPFS network, which is, I think, necessary also. And not only this, you can do various other things. Let's say you want to transfer this. You can have any other address and you can transfer this NFT to some other person. You have an option for burn. You can burn this NFT because, you know, in order to maintain the demand and supply, in order to raise the price of your NFT or something. So you can do that as well. And now some of you might be thinking, but I am not sure what code they are using. You know, we need some transparency because blockchain is all about transparency. So you can have a look at the code that they are using. So each and everything is present here. So as I said, right, everything is totally transparent. You can clearly see and come and visit their dashboard to know more about the code. And don't worry, I'm going to show you one more way. Let's say if you are a developer and you are looking to use ThirdWeb and you want to, okay, no, this is good, but still I want to, I want to do a little bit of coding. So don't worry, I will also show you that way as well. But again, for people who are in startup or individuals who want to quickly deploy their NFT collection on the Solana blockchain, this is, I think, a perfect way, right? So I was explaining you this much, that's why it took me so much time, but for you, it is a very easy process. Just go upload your image and yeah, voila, your image is deployed to the Solana blockchain. And here are the various settings and everything. I think this is in a coming soon process because they have just released this Solana DevNet part, Solana part, actually Solana blockchain part. So it will be coming soon as thing. Yeah. So let's wait for it. And this is, as you can see, this is your token ID. This is just true for the recognition of your, of your contract. So if you want to have some, you can have. But as you can see, I have already shown you that your image got deployed on the IPFS network. And this is the owner. So each and every detail about your NFT is given here. So in the previous video, we have seen how we can quickly deploy our NFT collection using ThirdWeb dashboard. Now in this particular video, I will show you how you can use ThirdWeb SDK in order to deploy your own NFT collection. Means if you are a developer and you are curious, right? You want to know more about ThirdWeb, then what you have to do in order to use ThirdWeb SDK to your advantage so that you can quickly deploy your NFT collection via coding, by adding some extra functionalities, whatever you like. So for that, just create a folder. So I am in a folder. I have created this folder NFT collection. So the first step will be to install the ThirdWeb SDK. So you will do yarn add ThirdWeb dev/SDK. Okay. So with the help of this, you will be able to install ThirdWeb dev SDK, and then it will provide us with all the functionalities in order to deploy our own NFT collection on the Solana blockchain. So let's wait for it get to install. Until that time, we can do other things, right? Why not? Why to waste time? Just create a one file by the name of index.js. Okay. Now, after this, you have to import the ThirdWeb SDK. Definitely, it will take some time, and by that time, it will get installed. So let's import the ThirdWeb SDK. Okay, ThirdWeb SDK from ThirdWeb dev/SDK. And since we are going to use Solana, so I'm going to have Solana here. Okay. After this, you have to have your SDK ready. So SDK, then ThirdWeb again. And in this, first you need to have your private key. Why you need to have your private key? Because since you are going to deploy this NFT collection, so you have to give your signature, right? That okay, this is my NFT collection. So for that, you will be needing this private key. Okay. And you are going to deploy this NFT collection on DevNet. So you have to tell, okay, I have to deploy this NFT collection on DevNet. So DevNet, and then your private key. And how you can get your private key? In order to get your private key, you have to go again to your wallet. Okay. Let me type my password here. And in this, just go to this, in this security and privacy, export private key. Now, before telling you about this private key, let me tell you one very important thing, guys. Private key is very, 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 very essential, and it should always be secure. Okay. You should never tell your private key to anyone. And this is also written here, right? If someone has your private key, they will have full control of your wallet. Now, since I am demonstrating you how you can use the ThirdWeb SDK, I'm going to show you, my private key. But for you, if you are going to do it on the mainnet, please do not reveal your private key. So this is just a warning, which you should remember. So this is my private key. I will copy it out. I will paste my private key here. Okay. Now this SDK that we have, imported, this SDK will actually give you the power to create your NFT collection in a quickest way possible. I will say it will make your work so easy. And I believe you haven't seen that easy approach of deploying NFT collection on Solana blockchain, because for me, I find Solana tough. Trust me. And I think this is a perfect way, in order to avoid that toughness of Solana. So just create one variable. Let me name this variable as NFT or NFT collection, let's say. In this, we will use our SDK. So SDK.deployer. This deployer will provide you with a lot of functions. So here you can see that. NFT drop, create token, NFT collection. And since we are creating NFT collection, I am going to use this NFT collection. And in this, you have to provide the details about your contract. So let's say the name is blockchain course collection, something like this. Okay. Since I am a course maker. And then let's say the description is blockchain best courses, something like this. Okay. Definitely, it's totally up to you. And then you will, let's say, if you want to see the address of your NFT collection where it is getting deployed, so you can console.that by using NFT collection. Okay. Now this is ready. Let's run this smart contract, not smart contract, actually this file, so that we can see that whether everything is working or not. So for that, let me clear it out. So you can see that SDK is installed, right? So now I will just do node. Okay, node need to be installed in your system in order to use this functionality. And then I will do index.js. Okay, we got an error. Let's see what is this error. Okay, this error is because of the package.json. Let's go to the package.json. In this, just have this, guys, like this. Type, okay, and it is module. Okay, to do this so that it does not give you this error. And then once you will do that, let's again try to deploy it. Let's hope this will work. It will take some time to get deployed because it is getting deployed on the Solana DevNet. So you have to wait for a while. And here you can see that we have our deployed smart contract address. Let's have this because we are going to need this because we have just deployed our smart contract. Now we need to create our NFT collection, right? Now, again, in the dashboard process, this is the first step that we have done. Okay, deploying our smart contract. Now let's copy this down. Let's create our mint NFT function, right? With the help of which we can mint our NFT. Let me paste this here because we are going to need it. And then in order to interact with our NFT collection, okay, we need to have, let's say NFT collection, or let's say we can say this as my NFT collection or something. Okay, so that we do not get confused between the different variables. My NFT collection. In this, I will again have await sdk dot get NFT collection, and in this we will pass the address of our smart contract, right? Okay, I made a mistake. This is the address of our smart contract that we had just deployed. Let's have this here. Okay, this is done. Now we will have our metadata, so that like in the dashboard, right, we have created our metadata for the NFT collection. In the same way, I'm going to do that. So let me name this again as blockchain. Okay, then description is, let's say, nice, and then the image. Okay, so we have to upload an image. So let me upload an image. Now for that, we need to have one image, right? So let me have one image here. So I have this code editor image in my folder NFT collection, and I'm going to mint it. And for that, I'm going to use the FS module of Node.js. So import read file sync. Okay, I'm going to use this from the FS module. This is provided by the Node.js. Okay, and then in this we will have our read file sync function, and in this we will pass the this location of our image, which is code editor. Let me rename it so that it does not create any issue. Let's say code for now. And then again, let me go to mintnft.js. In this, again, we will, in this particular folder, we have our code.png. Okay, so this is done. So this will be the metadata of our NFT. Now it's time to mint our NFT. So mint NFT, and then we will again await my NFT collection. And in this, we are going to use the mint function, and then we will have the meta. Okay, so this is the meta that we want to, this is the NFT that we want to deploy. And if you want to see the address of your mint NFT, then you can by going to mint NFT. Now, once you are done with this, it's time to see the NFT, right? Okay, this is the contract address of our NFT, let's say. Now, once you will do that, let's see the minted NFT. So let's see the minted NFT by using another function, that is await my NFT collection and then get all. So this will provide you with all the NFT collection that you have deployed, and then we can have a look at this. So console.log and then NFT minted. Let me save this. Let me run this so that we can see that. So for that, I will do node and mint NFT. If everything will be right, then we will have our minted NFT. Let's wait for some time. Wonderful. So here you can clearly see that we have our minted NFT. Okay, so this is our address, and then you can see your minted NFT in this particular URI. So let's see that. Let's follow this link. Okay, so this is the metadata of our NFT, right? So this is the blockchain, this is a description. Let me click on this. And here is our minted NFT. This is so great. This is so awesome, right? In with just few lines of code, we have our minted NFT on our IPFS network. Now, this is so cool. We haven't done anything, right? We haven't taken care of anything. Everything is being taken care by the third web SDK. So this is great. This is so great. So with this few line of code, we have minted an NFT on the Solana blockchain. Our image is on the IPFS. And the best thing is we haven't done much, right? We have just used the third web SDK in order to do that. So this is a great thing. So if you want to learn more about ThirdWeb, if you are interested to more about ThirdWeb, you can refer to the ThirdWeb Solana documentation, and I will share the link in the description of this video so that you can check out this link. So for people who are interested to learn more about ThirdWeb, so this is the documentation, this is their official documentation. I will share the link in the description of this video. You can have a look at this ThirdWeb SDK where you can learn so much about their different programs, their NFT drop program, their tokens program. Okay, and ThirdWeb is not only limited to Solana. You can also use Ethereum as well. For if you want to deploy NFT collection on Ethereum, then also you can use ThirdWeb. So in their documentation, each and everything is given in a very detailed manner. So NFT collection, NFT drops, tokens, whatever you like, you can have a look at their documentation. Again, I will share the link in the description of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please click on that like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because regularly I'm going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.